But you got a pot? You got a pot? All right. Yeah. There's all kinds of stuff in there. Look at that. What is in there? Yeah, here, put it back. Those aren't for us. I think the squirrels put that in there. What do you think? Squirrels put that in there? Nuts? Don't eat those, though. They're not good. Okay, put it back. Put it back. Aki. Okay, put that one back. Put that one back. Here. Okay. Okay. Hey, put it back. Thank you. Good boy. Yeah, good boy, Ethan.